The processing journey begins as freshly harvested rambutan arrives. Our team works quickly.
Inside the air-drying tunnel, powerful fans create intense airflow, shearing water droplets from the rambutans before final processing.
This specialized rotating drum dryer ensures that every rambutan is evenly exposed to the warm, circulating
Utilizing a modern stainless steel trimming line, workers meticulously remove excess stems, optimizing the processing journey. Utilizing advanced optical sorting and precision diverters, the fruit is rapidly grouped into uniform weight batches, maximizing efficiency. The processing journey begins as the automated system rapidly feeds the empty packaging trays onto the conveyor line with powerful precision.
Here in the modern Rambutan facility, human dexterity and robotic precision combine to ensure peak efficiency.
Automated sealing unit ensures a tight, hygienic seal on every tray as they move rapidly down the conveyor toward final packaging.
The conveyor system rapidly transports the packaged fruit directly into deep cold storage to maintain freshness. After sealing, the temperature-controlled container rapidly stabilizes, preserving the rambutans for transport. Our laboratory technicians meticulously test the firmness of every batch, guaranteeing industrial quality and freshness. In the QA return center, every sample is digitally logged and inspected before returning to the conveyor, ensuring precision and minimal waste. Deep into the night, this modern facility processes thousands of rambutans, utilizing advanced sorting technology to prepare them for market. Built for efficiency, this factory processes millions of rambutans annually, maintaining peak operation around the clock.
We have a rejection on line 2. Pull the next 3 trays.
Pulling trays now. Watch for defects.
Confirmed.
Here, each fruit passes through the automated inspection tunnel, utilizing advanced laser technology for precise quality verification.
Alright team, jacket zip, glasses on. We have 10,000 units of rambutan to process today. Ensure all safety protocols are strictly followed at the sorting station.
This state-of-the-art facility processes thousands of rambutans per minute, ensuring peak freshness.
The journey begins here in the wash tunnel, where high-pressure water and rotating brushes ensure every rambutan is meticulously cleaned.
The conveyors operate at synchronized speeds to ensure a seamless flow of fruit onto the main processing line.
Here, the trimmed fruit enters the pre-weigh conveyor system, where precision alignment ensures maximum efficiency. Using advanced pick-and-place technology, these robotic arms sort and pack the fresh rambutans with unparalleled speed and precision. The trays now enter the sealing queue, where our automated machinery ensures a perfect, airtight seal on every container.
After quality control, the completed pallets are smoothly transported to the wrapping zone for final preparation.
The automated system counts and batches the fresh rambutans with incredible speed and precision, preparing them for packaging. These pallets of fresh rambutan are rapidly cooled to ensure peak freshness for the export journey ahead. The forklifts efficiently transport the freshly processed rambutans from the cold storage area directly to the loading bay for immediate distribution.
Keep pushing, center it right there. It's secure now.
Pallet 22 checked and loaded. This modern facility utilizes a seamless cold chain process, rapidly loading the fresh rambutan pallets deep into the shipping containers.
This lot meets all specifications. They're cleared to go.
Excellent. I'll process this immediately.
Our state-of-the-art facility ensures every rambutan is perfectly packed and ready for global distribution.